Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ultimate tips and tricks to achieve the best version of your skin. As we age, our skin loses collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. Advancements in cosmetic dermatology provide innovative treatments to address the signs of aging. You might be wondering, what options and solutions are available to enhance the quality of your skin? When it comes to enhancing the skin's youthfulness, glow, radiance, and firmness, there are numerous treatment options available to choose from. Today, we'll be discussing and comparing Mesotherapy, PRP, Skin Boosters, and the newly introduced Exosome Therapy. Each of these treatments targets different aspects of skin health for optimal results. Understanding your options is the first step towards unlocking your skin's full potential. Mesotherapy is like a vitamin boost for your skin. It involves injecting a customized cocktail of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and other beneficial ingredients directly into the middle layer of your skin called the mesoderm. Think of it as delivering a potent blend of nutrients exactly where your skin needs them most. This targeted approach stimulates collagen production, improves blood circulation, and nourishes the skin from within. The result? A plumper, more hydrated complexion with reduced wrinkles and improved elasticity. Mesotherapy can be particularly effective in addressing concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, skin laxity, and even acne scars. PRP therapy, or platelet-rich plasma therapy, harnesses the power of your own blood to rejuvenate your skin. It involves drawing a small amount of your blood, then processing it to separate the platelet-rich plasma from other blood components. This platelet-rich plasma is packed with growth factors that play a crucial role in tissue repair and regeneration. When injected into the skin, PRP stimulates collagen and elastin production, promotes cell turnover, and improves blood flow. This natural healing cascade can effectively reduce wrinkles, improve skin texture, minimize scars, and even promote hair growth. Exosome therapy is at the forefront of regenerative medicine and holds immense promise for skin rejuvenation. Exosomes are tiny vesicles naturally produced by our cells that act as messengers, carrying signals and molecules between cells. These signals play a crucial role in cell repair, regeneration, and overall tissue health. In the context of skin rejuvenation, exosomes derived from stem cells are used. These exosomes are packed with growth factors and other bioactive molecules that can stimulate collagen and elastin production, reduce inflammation, and promote skin cell renewal. While still a relatively new treatment, early studies suggest that exosome therapy can effectively address a wide range of skin concerns, including wrinkles, age spots, acne scars, and hair loss. Skin boosters are like a tall drink of water for your skin. They consist of micro-injections of hyaluronic acid, a naturally occurring substance in our bodies that attracts and holds moisture. By replenishing hyaluronic acid levels in the skin, skin boosters provide intense hydration, plumping up the skin and improving its elasticity. This treatment is particularly effective in addressing fine lines and wrinkles caused by dehydration, improving skin texture, and restoring a youthful radiance. Unlike traditional dermal fillers, skin boosters don't add volume but rather enhance the skin's natural hydration levels for a subtle yet noticeable improvement in skin quality. So, which treatment is right for you? It depends on your needs and goals. Mesotherapy provides highly customizable solutions, offering a wide range of products designed to address various concerns such as pigmentation, skin rejuvenation, firmness, and hydration. Exosome therapy represents a cutting-edge advancement in skin regeneration, though it still requires further research and experience to fully realize its potential in regenerative medicine. Skin boosters enhance hydration and restore radiance while providing a mild lifting effect. Typically, fewer sessions are required, with injections concentrated in specific areas of the face. PRP therapy harnesses your body's natural healing abilities, making it a holistic approach to skin rejuvenation. Additionally, PRP has been utilized in other fields of regenerative medicine, including orthopedics, urology, cosmetic gynecology, and wound healing. To determine the most suitable treatment for your skin concerns, consult a dermatologist. They can assess your individual needs, consider your skin type and goals, and recommend the best options tailored to your specific condition. Whether you opt for mesotherapy, exosome therapy, skin boosters, or PRP therapy, each step you take brings you closer to the skin you've always desired. Remember, The key to effective skin rejuvenation lies in a personalized approach. Consulting with a dermatologist ensures that your treatment plan is tailored specifically to you, providing the best possible results. So take the first step today and embark on your path to glowing, rejuvenated skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content on skin rejuvenation and beauty tips. Stay tuned.